back at home, it's me, Zetz here, and may the 4th be with you. Today, Baby Yoda Smoothies with Boba. Okay, so let's break this recipe down. There's gonna be 3 important parts to it. The first part will be the cookie, which will be the dome, or the top part of our fruit smoothie. The second part will be that boba, for the little eggs that Baby Yoda like to eat. And then the last part is the all-important smoothie. And yes, it is the smoothie you are looking for. Here's what you need. So you need to have green and yellow food coloring. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, some extra flour for rolling. For decorating, you'll need some chocolate melts. Now, for the boba, you will need some boba, and I'm gonna use a simple syrup. For the fruit smoothie, you are going to need some fruit of your choice. We're gonna be using some blueberries, some banana, dragon fruit, yogurt, any kind of yogurt you like. We're using Greek. Milk, whatever kind of milk you like. We're gonna be using lactose-free whole milk, some ice, and some Cool Whip to top it off. All right, let's make a mess. The first part of making our cookie is gonna be to cream the butter and the sugar together till it's nice and fluffy. Locking it this time, I'm locking it. Once your butter and your sugar are creamed pretty well, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add, and I forgot to say this earlier in the ingredients, but I'm going to add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt. And now is where I'm gonna add my food coloring. I can always adjust it later after I add the flour. So I'm gonna do like 2 drops of yellow, maybe 4 drops of green. Start slowly adding my flour in. I had to add 4 more drops of yellow. So I still have some back. Lock it, make sure you lock it. So I have some extra flour. I'm gonna spread it out on my work surface. I'm gonna divide it into 2 halves, and I'm gonna refrigerate it for a little bit. Clean up my workstation and get ready to make more of a mess. All right, now that I cleaned up our workstation a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and flour my work surface, flour my rolling pin, and we're gonna make some Baby Yoda head. We're going for about 1/4 of an inch thick. So then, I have a round cookie cutter. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out some heads. Now what I have here is some silicone baking mats, dome shape. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on top. I always cut and cook extras because these have a tendency to be a fail sometimes. If there's a crack in there that you didn't notice, or from rolling it out, or it's too thin, they'll droop or drop. No biggie. So then with the rest of the dough, I'm gonna go ahead and re-roll it out. And now I'm gonna be cutting some ears. To make his ear, what I did was I took a heart cookie cutter and I stretched it out so it makes kind of like a teardrop. The last step on the ears is to cut some notches so that I can get it to fit over my smoothie cup. These go back in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on if you put it in the fridge or the freezer, and we'll be baking them in a bit. All right, while we're waiting for our cookies to go ahead and chill out for a bit, as if it was on the ice planet of Hoth. Hey, oh, that was bad. I don't even know if that's right. And we're gonna go ahead and start our boba. For our boba, you need to put some water on to boil. When it's boiling, you add your boba. We're gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of boba. And when that comes up, when it floats to the top, put a lid on it, let it sit for 5 minutes, take it out, put it in some simple syrup, and then just wait for our smoothie. Let's all watch water boil. Now that our cookies have chilled for a bit, we're gonna go ahead and throw them in a 325-degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, now that our water's at a nice rolling boil, I'm gonna add our tapioca. Apparently right now we're in a tapioca shortage, so the only tapioca that I could find is rainbow boba. I'm okay with that. It's white with a bunch of other colors. It's the closest thing I could get. Add it to my water. Give it a stir. Now when it comes up to the top, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat down to medium, put a lid on it. After about 5 more minutes, I'll turn the heat off, and then we just let it sit for 5. Take it out from the water, put it in with some cool sugar water, and that's all we gotta do. All right, now that our boba's done, I'm gonna take it out, put it in a bowl, cover it in some simple syrup, set it off to the side. The nice part about making your own boba at home is the fact that you don't have to stand in the long line. but you can make it and it will hold in an airtight container as long as it's in some kind of sugar water for about a day or 2 max. Just make sure it's an airtight sealed container and you got boba for the rest of the day. You can make it in the morning so it's ready for you in the afternoon. And now we're gonna add my simple syrup. You can make your own simple syrup, but I just bought some so I didn't have to do more math. And there you have it. Now we just gotta make our smoothie. All right, now that our cookies have come out of the oven, I'm gonna take them off, put a little couple cute Baby Yoda faces on it, and continue to let them cool. To make the eyes of the Baby Yoda, I'm gonna go ahead and get some dark chocolate melting wafers and some regular dark chocolate, mix them together in the microwave, high, 30 seconds, stir, 30 seconds more if need be, or 15-second increments depending on the amount you're making. Let me melt the chocolate and I'll be right back. So I have some melted chocolate and I'm gonna pipe on some eyes. Now that we got all our parts ready, let's go ahead and put it all together. Make the smoothie and assemble our Baby Yoda. 1 banana. 1 cup of blueberries, a half a cup of Greek yogurt. Gonna get our dragon fruit, frozen dragon fruit. Add about 1 cup of milk. How do you know that's 1 cup? I got skills. They're multiplying. I'm gonna add some ice. It froze to the cup. Like all the ice in here is frozen to the... That's enough ice, yes? Better be. Oh, almost forgot the most important part. Blue food coloring. Power on, high. So got our cup. Gonna get some boba. Put that in the bottom of our cup. Top it off with some Cool Whip. And take my ears, place it on the side. Get in there. You know, I forgot to tell y'all, when your cookie is done and baked, you'll have to cut a couple notches on the side of your cookie for your ears. All right, and there you have it, your Baby Yoda Boba Fruit Smoothie. That's it for now. Make sure to stay safe and